Welcome to the Smithsonian Learning Lab. In this video, you'll learn the basics of how to navigate through the platform. In the upper right of every page on the lab, you'll find the Smithsonian Sunburst logo. While logged into your free Learning Lab account, click the Sunburst to access your favorites, your collections, and more. In the lower right of every page on the Learning Lab, you'll find the Help button, which is shaped like a gear. Click this button to visit the Help Center, contact us, or activate screen tips and collection progress tracking. Screen tips are pop-up tutorials that'll guide you through the basic features on the site. When viewing a collection progress tracking dims the thumbnails of previously viewed resources. You'll also find the Notes button in the lower right, which looks like a bulleted list. While logged into your free Learning Lab account, this tool will help you take persistent private notes that will carry with you throughout the lab. Consider using this tool to carry guiding questions with you, copy content related to learning or discoveries, and more. In the lower right, you'll also find the History button, which looks like a clock turning backwards. While logged into your free Learning Lab account, this tool shows your browsing history as you travel through the site, making it easy to find previously accessed searches, resources, and collections. Histories can be cleared at any time. Finally, the search bar is located at the top of every page in the Learning Lab. You can use the search bar to discover resources and collections. You can also learn more about searching in the video linked in this video's description.